Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Bobby! Oh, Bobby,
You can
go!
do it. Come back.
Oh!
You got it. Do-si-do. Do-si-do. Yeah. Yeah.
No!
Gets him with the do-si-do trick. Every time.
Alright.
Brings him in close and then pushes him out. Apparently that's the secret to good sumo. I don't know.
Alright, one more round. Alright, Bobby, you can do this. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Bobby.
Do-si-do. That's right. That's right. Pick him out. Pick him out. If you can do it, yeah.
No!
There's like
That's
two
not
Japanese
fair.
guys in the West where
We can do Christmas tree versus Christmas tree now.
Alright.
Like big hairy. Go. Get a rest.
well, apparently it's big in this country.
Okay, where you going, Bobby? Bobby, stay here. Bobby.
We got sumo.
Okay, Jim Bob. Let's go, Jim Bob. Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, Jim Bob. Jim Bob tried to sprawl, didn't put him in it.
Wait. Alright, 1, 2. Let's try a different angle.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
God, I'm clearly a better sumo coach than you. There's been a couple practice rounds before the experience.
Alright, you can do this. You can do this. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Jim Bob.
Stand up.
Jim Bob. Kick his ass, Jim Bob. Which one's Jim Bob?
Oh.
That was a double.
Redo.
We're called draw. No.
Call it a draw.
This one?
In the interest of ease of telling them apart.
Did you put this on YouTube?
Yeah, definitely should.
I will.
I mean, they got pizza in the
zoom.
microwave, I think. You know.
Alright. Jim Bob. This is for the gold, Jim Bob. 1, 2, 3.
Just tentatively, my die fell out first. That's terrible.
No more shrinkage, Jim Bob. Alright. 1,
Well, hold on. There we go.
2, 3.
You can do it. Come on. They keep knocking each other. Oh! I don't know. That might have been some assistance, though. I just stood him upright, but who knows?
Ooh, pasta. Where you
Do
going,
it.
Josh?
Change it up, man.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Oh, why am I always losing? Let's try different sides. How about I go from that side? I think that's the
gotta be
key.
the side. This paper plate is not balanced correctly.
No.
Come on. You can do it. No! I think it's the antenna. It's the rabbit ears that can control them a little better. Tell him what to do. But your guy won't back in. So, I mean, new snowman versus Christmas tree now? What do you think?
Alright.
Why don't you be the snowman?
Alright.
I'll be the Christmas tree. Snowman's got the advantage.
Bobby, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Come on, Christmas tree. Do-si-do. Duck and dodge. Slow-legged butterfly. Thin-legged bee.
Oh,
Thin-legged bee. Yes.
no.
See the thin-legged bee?
I'm losing all the time. This time I want to...
Apparently it's just you and I.
I won't even cheer.
I don't want to be in it. I don't want to be in the shot.
Hey! Alright.
A new pair of shoes.
We need this. Come on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
You can do it.
No! That was the perfect.
Was it?
Yeah, because it like fell right.